Hello, Book 2 students. It's time to learn oranges and lemons. So you should have a song page like this that has all of the words on it. It's probably on the back of your assignment. And I put those words there because I would really like for you to sing the words while you play this song. That's how you keep track of how many notes to play. All right, so I'm going to show you the finished version of this song with all of the different options that I can think of, and then I'll talk to you more about it. Oranges and lemons, say the bells of St. Clement's. Brickbats and tiles, say the bells of St. Giles. Pancakes and fritters, say the bells of St. Peter's. Kettles and pans, say the bells of St. Anne's. Bullseyes and targets, say the bells of St. Margaret's. You owe me 5 farthings, say the bells of St. Martin's. When will you pay me, say the bells of Old Bailey. When I grow rich, say the bells of Shoreditch. Pray when will that be, say the bells of Stepney. I'm sure I don't know, says the great bell of Bow. I know that's kind of a long song, but it's really the same patterns over and over again, but we do alternate keys. And you can see which key or position you'll do for each verse by looking in the arrow. So we're going to start in F position, F major, and my right hand played the melody when I was in F position. And we start with the simple pattern, so, mi, do. That should be really easy for you. Okay, then we have this little pattern in the middle, re, mi, fa, re. And then we end with another tonic pattern, so, mi, do. That might give you an idea of how the chords are going to work too, because we started with a tonic pattern and we ended with a tonic pattern. So that'll help you know about the chords. So here I'm going to put those 3 patterns together. So, mi, do, re, mi, fa, re, so, mi, do. Look how the chords fit. Did you see that pattern? Tonic, tonic, dominant 7th, tonic. That is a pattern we've used a whole lot. Listen to this. How about this? Or how about this one? So tonic, tonic, dominant 7th tonic is your chord pattern. All right, so far all I have shown you is the first line of the first verse. So let me show you the second line. It starts again with a tonic pattern. So, mi, so, do. That is so similar to the first pattern. The first pattern was so, mi, do. I'm just going to take out that second mi. So, mi, so, do. Now I'll use the same pattern that we had in the second position on the first line. Re, mi, fa, re. And I'm going to just finish with a so, do. Here's the whole first verse. So, mi, do, re, mi, fa, re, so, mi, do. So, mi, do, re, mi, fa, re, so, do. Now that is how every verse is going to work, with some very, very minor exceptions, and that's why you need the words in front of you, because some verses have more syllables and some have fewer, and so you will need to use your ear to figure out when you need to have an extra mi in there and when you don't. Remember that mi that we had at the beginning that we took out for the second line? So you'll need that sometimes on the second line, but not always. Okay, now your left hand can also play the melody when you are in the C position for verses 2 and 4. It's all the same patterns. So, mi, do, re, mi, fa, re, so, mi, do. So, mi, do, re, mi, fa, re, so, do. And of course, while your left hand is playing the melody, your right hand can play the chords.
that same pattern we did before. Tonic, tonic, dominant seventh, tonic. All right, so when you practice this, I would especially like you to warm up your right hand in F position and in C position. You can start with that and learn the melody in both of those positions with your right hand. And if you want to challenge yourself, let your left hand play that melody when you're in C position. But you do have the option of keeping the melody in your right hand the whole time. Okay? Remember, that version that I showed you at the beginning was like the most advanced version that I could think of. So you might be able to make it a little bit simpler for yourself if you like. All right, I can't wait to hear your oranges and lemons.